Ooh, doggy, you should smell this. Now, you know I cheat a little, right? But we still make good stuff around here that tastes good. So I had a loaf of frozen bread dough and this little fancy pan I got from Temu. I love it. And I'm making like a hot sausage, Italian sausage today. And I didn't have any rolls. Well, frozen bread to the rescue. Listen to the crunch. But this is what I wanted to say. I was inspired by my son and daughter-in-law the other day. I babysat for just a short time. And they brought me a bagel sandwich, breakfast sandwich. And my Jordan asked me, do you want sausage? Do you want bacon? Sausage. Do you want this? Do you want, what kind of bagel do you want, Mom? Do you want everything? Do you want that jalapeno? I went, oh yeah, stop there. I want jalapeno. So look at this. This is just like American cheese or cheddar mix. What's the big word I'm looking for, y'all? Thawed out. Yeah, that's the big word I was looking for. I thawed out some frozen bread dough, and then I pinched it in two and stretched it a little and put it in there and put it in there. Now see, you know, I mean, I buy them 5 loaves at a time, keep them down in the freezer just for things like this. It tastes just like fresh bread without the fuss. So there you go. What do you think, Jordan? Are you watching my video? I doubt it. But thanks for the inspiration for the jalapeno cheddar rolls that I made for my hot sausage today. I forgot to show you what the underside looks like. Just like a hoagie you would get in the store. Look at that. Pretty yummy, huh? Go get you a little pan like this. Oops. That would be mine.